I'm Yola Price. My occupation is a 3D content creator and I work for C.A.S.T Limited. My current role is to do 3D modelling, and that's for various clients and various projects, and that graphics then gets taken into a real-time engine for applications for real-time graphics. As far as qualifications, I went to Manchester University to do physics, and then I found a job in a paper. It's a very broad spectrum of an industry, and it ranges from very, very artistic to very, very technical. So depending on which side of that spectrum you are, you need to be more mathematical, more methodical, and more scientific, or more artistic, more creative. Overall, you're creative whether you're technically creative or artistically creative. It's quite a creative process and quite a creative industry. So. Yeah, I did physics at Manchester University, and then after leaving university I saw an advert for a job in a paper. It said virtual reality modeler required, no experience necessary, so I went for it, and I was trained up from there really. Working day is usually I model something off plans, I then proceed to texture it, usually from photographs that I've edited and that I've composited together, and then that graphics then is taken to a 3D real-time engine which allows you to go one way or another, which allows you to go from whichever way you want to go, what's it look like from my front door, etc, etc. And from there design a user interface for the client, and then package it all up. There's 4 of us, we've all got various strengths. I'm slightly more technical, the other 3 are slightly more artistic, so it's quite a nice balance, and we all sort of learn from each other really. So. On certain projects you're allowed to make something that isn't actually based in reality, so that's quite nice to have that creative freedom. It's nice to have the flexibility to imagine something and then create it and model it, so that's quite good. And also I enjoy the actual interactivity side of it and the guts of the programming and all that sort of stuff. It's good. Anyone who likes to work hard. That's the main criteria for it. You've got to have a very strong work ethic. And other than that, someone who enjoys and is able to find a way around problems, because especially with real-time graphics, there's quite a lot of problems and shortcomings to overcome. Learn as much as you can on your own, do as much as you can at home, and learn as many software packages or program languages as you can whilst you've got the time to do so. It's only really just getting started, so it's changed a great deal amount in the 9 years since I've been in it, and what I'm doing now is almost recognisable to what I was doing beforehand. So in another 10 years, I'm sure it'll be very exciting.